Welcome to Ananya Sweet Treats. Today I'm going to show you how to make cheesy garlic bread. So let's get started. First we'll make the dough for the garlic bread. For that we'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup warm milk, 2 teaspoon active dried yeast, 2 teaspoons sugar, half teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons softened butter, 1 teaspoon oregano and 1 teaspoon olive oil or any other vegetable oil. First we'll add our sugar and yeast into the warm milk and mix it together. Mix it nicely. Now we'll keep this mixture aside for 5 minutes. Now in another bowl, we'll take the flour and add the salt and oregano and mix it together. It's been 5 minutes. Now we are going to pour this yeast mixture into the flour. Now we are going to mix this together. Mix it until it forms a dough. Now we are going to knead this dough using our hands. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now we'll add in our butter and knead this dough again for 3 to 4 minutes. Knead the dough until the butter is nicely incorporated. Now our dough is ready and we are going to apply some oil and let it rest for 1.5 hours. I am using a cling wrap to cover it. You can even use a damp cloth. While the dough is resting, we will make our garlic butter. For that, you will need 1/4 cup melted butter, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic and some fresh coriander leaves. Now I have crushed the garlic and I am going to add this and the coriander leaves into the melted butter and mix it together. Now our garlic butter is ready. It's been 1.5 hours and our dough has risen. Now dust some flour on your working platform. Now take the dough and knead it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now divide the dough into 2 parts. Now take one part of the dough and roll it out using a rolling pin. You can use the other part to make one more garlic bread. Now transfer this onto a baking tray. Now apply some of the garlic butter that we made before. Now I am going to add some shredded cheese on one half. I am going to add some oregano and chili flakes. Now fold this in half and seal the edges. Now I am going to apply some more garlic butter on top. I am also going to be adding some more oregano and chili flakes. Now you are going to make some marks using a knife. Now we are going to bake the garlic bread in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Now our garlic bread is out of the oven and it has baked perfectly. Now we'll slice it. Now our garlic bread is ready to enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and see you soon.